Located in the upscale neighborhood of Kebayoran Baru, Jakarta, the Ciasem House is home to a couple and their 3 children. Being a private residence in Jakarta, a city with high sun exposure and heavy rainfall, specifically situated in a bustling area with numerous public facilities, stacking is an approach to address privacy and climate concerns. The house takes the form of 3 stacked and slightly offset boxes, each serving distinct functions and representing a hierarchy of zoning. The higher a box is positioned, the more private it becomes. The middle box, with solid walls facing the street, ensures privacy. It comprises an entry hall, living room, dining room, and kitchen, with 3.2-meter-high ceilings and sliding glass doors that fully open to the garden and terrace, creating the illusion of continuity between interior and exterior. On the right side of the house, another box emerges, serving as the main vertical circulation of the residence. Equipped with stairs and an elevator, this box connects all 3 stacked boxes. Covering each of the boxes with various materials, including wood, steel, glass, and concrete, helps distinguish the different zones and functions of each box. The top box, partially solid, allows sunlight to enter and offers a view of the street, also functioning as the roof. The rooftop is designed with a terrace to enjoy the unobstructed view of the neighboring area of Kebayoran Baru and even the skyscrapers of the SCBD, Sudirman Central Business District, one of the busiest commercial neighborhoods in Jakarta. The spaces between these boxes create a sense of weightlessness, as if they are delicately floating above each other. This stacking technique also generates shaded areas below, blurring the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. Entry into the house is through a walkway that leads to the entrance door, located on the right side of the house, and stairs that lead to the second floor.